Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video, we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 16 Linear Inequations Exercise 16A Question 1. So this is match the inequalities with the graphs, right? So here all the questions are merged and in front of them you can see we have their graphs. Now first of all, what are linear inequations? We have studied linear equations. In that we get only one value for your x. In linear inequations it is saying you can see equal sign is not used, instead greater than, less than, or greater than or equal to, greater than or less than equal to, or something like that is used. So basically they will say that one thing is not equal to the other. That means x is, you can see, greater than -3. That means -3 is not the answer or the value of x. It is telling that x can be anything greater than -3. Same for, you can see that in most of the inequations, you can also call them inequalities, both are same thing. So in most of these inequations you can see that what is given is x, that is one variable, then it has put a sign greater than, equal to, or greater than and equal to, or less than or equal to, right? Something like that. You can see this is given, it means less than, opposite of that means greater than. We all have studied these signs. And here number lines are given. So inequalities or inequations, they can also be represented on number lines, like you can see over here. But there are few things you need to see before you represent on anything on a number line. See, if you see this type of circle above any number, it means that the number above which it is there, it is not included, right? That means what? See, not included. I will show you. You can see first number line above 0, there is an open circle. We call this hollow circle, open circle, whatever way you want to say it. If this is given and rest of it is shaded, rest of it has to be shaded, then that means 0 is not included, right? And if a circle like this is there, that means it is included. On which number this circle will be there, that means that number is also included, and the numbers after that which are shaded are also included. So you can see here, this is 1 on 4. That means what? Actually that value of x can be 4 also, and it can be any number less than 4. Here you can see in 0, value of x cannot be 0, but it can be any number above 0. See, first is x is less than or equal to -2. So what is this inequation representing actually? First of all, see what number is given here. Look for that number on the number line. Where is -2 in all these number lines? You can see, and above that -2 there will be a circle. You can see this -2. Okay, this -2, it is having this circle on it, and this circle is completely filled and is less than -2. So numbers that are less than -2 are also shaded on this number line. This number line, this is -3, -4, you can see this is shaded. It is representing that this entire portion, all the numbers that are less than -2, -5, -6, so on, they can be value of x. So this one will be matched with D. And why this circle is shaded? Because it means that -2 is also included, because there is a less than or equal to sign. Whenever you will see a sign which is greater than or less than, then the circle will always be hollow or open. And if you see a sign less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, then the circle will always be filled like these. Next we have -4 is less than or equal to x is less than 0. Now you can see -4 is less than or equal to x. First solve. You can see two numbers are given. Look for them, -4 and 0. So you can see -4, -4, -4, there will be a circle on -4 here, -4 and 0, and you can see on both of them there is a circle also. On -4 there is a filled circle like this, you can see, because it is having less than or equal to, that's why this circle is filled. And on 0 there is an open circle, hollow circle, because this is what? This is less than 0. So this is representing what? This part, and the numbers between them are also shaded. That indicates that these numbers are also included. So option G will be correct. See, -3 is less than x, and x is less than or equal to 4. So two different inequalities merged together. Look for -3 is less than x. You can see -3 is less than x. So on -3 there will be a hollow circle. You can see in this case also there is a hollow circle. In this case also there is a hollow circle on -3. But look at the next inequality, x less than or equal to 4. So on 4 there will be a filled circle, you can see this one, and numbers between them are shaded. So this F1 is representing your third inequality that is there. 0 less than equal to x less than equal to 5. Same thing, 0 is less than equal to x. So you can see on 0 there will be a shaded circle, filled circle, and in all of these, this line, this inequality only has that. You can see next also, it is x is less than or equal to 5. So less than or equal to means a shaded circle, and it is less than or equal to 5. So on 5 there is a shaded circle, rest of them are shaded. So this means what? That option 4 for this E will be the correct answer, right? So this is your, this part might appear like shaded, but it's not actually shaded. Then x is greater than 0. Very simple. On 0 there will be an open circle, and the numbers that are greater than 0 will be shaded, like the number line will be broadened, it will be made thicker. So 0 open circle is there, 0 open circle here also. What numbers are greater than 0? Positive numbers, and you can see the number line of these positive numbers is thick. This means this part A is representing what? The fifth inequation that is there. Then sixth is x is less than or equal to 4. So see again, look for 4 on these number lines, and you will see less than equal to means a filled circle, option this one 4 1, but it is already done, so we cannot take this. Again C4, this one, right? X is less than or equal to 4, all the numbers that are less than 4 are shaded. So when a number is given, numbers to its left on the number line are smaller than that, numbers to its right on the number line are greater. So you can see this part is thicker than this part or not. So this means what? This number line B is representing what? The sixth inequation. Then we have x is greater than minus 3. Again on minus 3 open circle, look for that. This one has minus 3, but again it's done. And you can see this option C also has minus 3 and a hollow circle, and this one is not done. You can see what is given here, minus 3, and it is given greater than minus 3. So all the numbers to the right of minus 3 will be greater than minus 3. You can see this part is broadened, thickened, right, and so on. You can see this much is thick, this much is thin. That means it is representing x is greater than minus 3. Then x is less than 2 or x is greater than 2. Two things separately they have given. So see, look for x is less than 2 or x is greater than 2, but this will be marked only on one point. How? Because first of all, see, greater than, less than, that means nowhere equal to is there, so the circle will be hollow. And in this number line only, you can see the circle is hollow and the circle is on 2. Now first you can see x is less than 2, so all the numbers that are less than 2 are what? Thickened, they are made thick, right? And same thing, you can see x is greater than 2, so here all the numbers that are greater than 2 are again on the number line, their part is thickened. So you can see it is representing two inequations at once. So this means for part 8 your H, the graph H is correct. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and